He looks like Peter from Family Guy mixed with the chicken guy from Toy Story. You feel me? And it looks like the hat is eating his head. Cam, you lame. Yeah, lame. All the drill you reacting to would be lame. Hold on. Great, hold on. Hold on. Wait, you was lame. Bow, bow, bow. Shooting at your same. Wait, I just took the safe. Cam, you was lame. Looking like a chicken, dude. Same thing. You was super lame, super lame. You was super lame. Cam, look at bro's posture. Hey, hold on. Get a better one. You an imposter. I just shot your daughter.